kind of drag race I ever imagined myself going to, but at least the guys are hot.
Don't worry, Ronnie, we got this.
Just make it back to me, preferably in one piece for chickens.
Before you get in the car, I need you to know I never stopped loving you, Chuck. I'm not sure I can. Also, remember, don't ride the clutch and don't let it slip between gear shifts, okay?
You're an enigma, Cooper.
Let's do it! Get these cars over the road!
Race over Herc Harvey Bridge to Dead Man's Curve. First one back here wins.
I usually do the honors.
Not today, Cha-Cha. I was born for this moment. Engines warm and ready, gentlemen.
We're coming up to the bridge. I know, I got this. It's too narrow for both of us, Jughead. Jug, we should abort. And win? We will both crash on that bridge. The serpents are joining the ghoulies over my dead body, Archie. Sorry, man, but I'm not down for those terms. Why would you do that?
Trust me, Jug, you're gonna thank me for this. Jug, stop! Jug! Jug! Jug!
Come on, Jug, we gotta go. Come on.
Everyone scatter! The cops are rounding up ghoulies!
Oh my God, you're okay.
We gotta get out of here.
Come on. We gotta go right now. Right now. The cops! You won't throw in with the ghoulies, but you will with the cops. Where's the honor in that?
Calm down, tall boy. You think I knew Keller was gonna be there?
I called Keller.
What the hell, Archie? Did my dad tell you about this too?
No, this was my idea. To get rid of the ghoulies, and it worked. They get arrested for street racing, and now they're off the chessboard.
For how long? 1 month? 3 months? You know what they're gonna want on the other side, Archie? Your head on a stake. All of ours.